An old Samsung TV came in with the typical backlight issue. We ordered the new backlight set, replaced it, tested the old one. The old one was partially malfunctioning, but it still didn't work. Let's continue. After the backlight replacement, the backlight is turning on for a second, and after it's off, and I think that's the problem. So we have a I think because it's large, it's 204 volt, 57 microfarad, and it looks like it's powering up the LED, so probably that's causing the issue. That's my best guess at the moment. I'm a little bit short. These capacitors, so I just took out another one. From another Samsung power supply, which looks alright. And let's see if that's gonna work. No. Okay. Let's get the home. Okay. So I have another one here which is 200 volt, but it's 68 microfarad, which is a little bit beefier, but what can I say? I'm an optimistic person, so hopefully it's gonna solve the issue. Fortunately, most of these capacitors always ending at 160 volt, not 200, and I don't want to put smaller voltage inside, so we're gonna try with this, see how's it go. If it's go up, then it's not good, isn't it? Right. Close enough. Looks nice. Another Samsung TV is working, but a lot of them is coming.
We hope you've been enjoying our videos, and if you do, please consider subscribing. Your support means a lot to us and enables us to dedicate more time to creating content like this. If there's anything specific you'd like to see, feel free to leave a comment, and we'll do our best to make it happen. Until next time, take care.